First-time real estate investors and even some experienced ones ask me all the time, when is the right time to make a purchase for a real estate investment? Should I buy now? Should I wait for the market to crash? Should I wait for rates to go down? What does that look like? And the answer simply is, you cannot time the market. It's not possible. There are times where you can see that things are trending down, but you cannot perfectly time that market. Nobody has a crystal ball. If we did have a crystal ball, I'd be sitting on the beach sipping a margarita every single day rather than here selling real estate and working through investments. So nobody has that crystal ball. You cannot time it perfectly. I want to walk you through why it's not possible, help you to see that the best time is always to take action now when the deals present themselves. Let's break down why you can't time the market and why it's best to jump in as soon as you can. Hey guys, I'm Andrew Lewis, real estate investor and entrepreneur with over 10 years experience building and growing a real estate team and investing in real estate. Before we get into today's video, take a moment, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. I'm here to help you break out of the 9-to-5, gain financial freedom, and grow wealth through real estate. The real estate market moves like crazy. We cannot predict it. All we can do is take our best guess on things. So again, today I want to show you exactly why you can't time the market and how there's never a perfect spot in the market when it's the right time to buy. So let's break it all down. First, we have to start with rates and prices fluctuate all of the time. Now, prices in the real estate market, as you've heard me say here, on average trend up 5% a year every single year. That's a 40-year average, even including the 2008 crash. So we can always expect that it's trending up, but of course there are ups and downs. And even just at the end of 2022, we did see a dip in prices. So there are ups and downs there, but where it gets tricky and makes it near impossible to time things is when prices go up, rates go down. When rates go up, prices go down. There is never a perfect time. You may potentially get lucky and catch it right in the middle, but that means you didn't get the best price or the best interest rate, but you found that happy medium. And people are always chasing the elusive 2% interest rate, rock bottom prices, bought at the bottom of the market, and those things just don't coexist together. So it's not possible for you to time rates and prices. You're gonna have to deal with one or the other. Either rates are up or prices are up. One or the other, you're gonna have to be okay with that. It really comes down to running numbers on your specific deal to make sure that they make sense for your real estate investing goals. And keep in mind, the cash flow is great. However, the long-term appreciation is one of the best plays in your real estate investing portfolio. So rates are up, prices are up, it doesn't matter, but you cannot time it perfectly. Reason number two is, yes, we see prices go up and rates go up and down all over the place all the time, but the data that we get there is severely delayed. We had no idea in 2012 when the bottom of the market was in. There was no official announcement of, attention everybody, the media would like to announce that we have the bottom of the housing market here right now. This is the official best time to buy. Why not? Because we didn't know that was the best time to buy until 3 months later when we saw that prices had trended upwards from there. So it's impossible to know we are at rock bottom. You have to keep in mind, this is just like the stock market where it's impossible to know this is the lowest the price is gonna go or this is the highest the price is gonna go. All you can do is take your best educated guess on where that's going to go. So the data is severely delayed. We didn't even know that we were at the bottom of the market here recently. Just in January and December of just a few months ago, we were at the bottom of the market for 2022, 2023, and then things started to pick back up. But it wasn't until about April when we went, oh gosh, we've had 3 steady months of pickup. That was the bottom, everything's fully recovered by now. So the data is delayed and there's no way to officially predict the bottom or the top of anything. So timing it is impossible. And lastly here, let's just assume that you got lucky and somehow bought with a great, amazingly low interest rate and rock bottom prices because the market crashed and lost 50% of its value. Let me tell you what your buying experience there is going to look like. You will see institutional investors picking up homes for cash because of that opportunity. When they see that opportunity come in, that is when they are going to make a massive grab of homes. They did it with the prior crash, and it would be even more tremendous in a future crash because there are so many hedge funds, there's so many people with money waiting for that to happen. When it does, they are going to take advantage of it. And if you are just an average real estate investor looking to put 25% down on a property, you are going to get wiped out on every single offer because they will outbid you with cash. They're looking to buy 12,000 homes at a time. They don't care where it is, what it looks like, what the inspection report looks like. They just want it in their portfolio, and you're gonna get beat time after time after time. If you were trying to buy a home in 2010, like right in the middle of the crash times, and we thought it was the bottom of the market, that was crazy, absolutely crazy time. People were being outbid by cash buyers all of the time. I myself was included in that. And I'm just telling you that if we were to see some sort of dip in prices, which we don't foresee, but if we got all the way down there, buying a home would be nearly impossible for you. You would need to submit 30 offers, blind offers, never even seeing the properties because there will be so much competition out there. Cash buyers way more qualified than you or I. So keep that in mind that even if that opportunity came, chances are slim that the average investor that doesn't have a portfolio of 100, 200 plus homes is going to be able to acquire anything. You may find some off-market deals here and there, but the competition for anything that comes on market would be absolutely insane. So it just doesn't make sense to try to time the market. Yes, there are smarter times to buy rather than others, but the best thing you can do in the real estate game, investing game, is get your foot into the market. You just need to buy something and start taking advantage of the appreciation. Now, don't go in and buy something right away that's got negative cash flow, just banking on the appreciation side of it. Maybe you can float $200, $300 a month negative cash flow, but don't go buy something that's going to deplete $1,000 a month out of your account and no promise of future rent recovery. So buy something that makes sense now. Look for those deals that make sense, that cash flow or break even at the very least, because you'll be able to increase those rents later. You'll be taking advantage of appreciation. Your portfolio will grow. You will be able to use leverage in the future to buy future homes with less money out of your pocket. So the best time to buy something is now. You will always look back 2, 3, 4, 5 years down the road and go, gosh, I am so glad I bought then versus now, because with the appreciation factor, you can almost guarantee home prices will be 15 to 25% more in that future time period. So quit trying to time the market, jump in there, find a smart deal that makes sense now. I hope this video has convinced you to take action, get off the sidelines, wait for a smart deal. You have to be smarter when the market is up, but there are deals to be had out there. Go out there, make it happen, grow your portfolio, grow your wealth. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that like button, leave a comment below, maybe some deal that you've recently done that you've had success on, even as prices have continued to grow. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. I'm here to help you break out of the 9 to 5, gain financial freedom, and grow wealth through real estate. See you next time.